Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. A question that comes up quite often is, should I be using a power washer on my back deck when it comes to maintenance, when it comes to that annual cleaning and preparation for putting some sort of coating on that wood deck? Should I be using a power washer? And the answer is definitely, absolutely. Power washers are tremendous. It's a great tool to use on the wood deck. They're fun to use. They're great to have around. Now, if you are going to use a power washer on your wood deck, my recommendation for most cases, for most DIY projects, you want to keep that PSI level under 2,000. So that's considered light duty power washing. At that point, you're not going to chip the wood. You're not going to cause any peeling or cause any damage to the wood while you're using the power washer. And that's the problem when people are using these heavy duty power washers. They end up doing a lot of damage to the wood, and you have to correct that damage by either excessive sanding or sometimes replacement of the boards, or sometimes you don't correct it and you have a damaged wood deck. So if you are going to use a power washer, keep it at a light to medium duty setting. I recommend for most DIY projects under 2,000 PSI, and at that point, a power washer will help you clean and maintain that wood deck safely without doing any damage. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.